everybody, Christina here with Cupid. I am here to reveal mine and my daughter's first online class for our new adventure together. We are going to be making this box, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about what you're going to get with the box when you make it. There is a class only where you would get all the live Facebook videos, because the classes will take place live on Facebook in a private group, and you will get all the classes, the coloring class, how to make everything that goes in the box as well as the box, and you will also get a PDF for scoring and cutting. So that's for the class only, and the class only is $25. The class plus the kit is everything that you will need. All the die cuts will be die cut for you. All the paper will be cut for you. And all you will have to do is score it during class. That way you have a fun time making it as well. And so you will get everything you need to make this box plus everything in it. Plus you will get this cute little thing of sequins that my daughter and I put together for you. We made the mix ourselves and put it together. You can see there is, let me open this up really fast. There is quite a bit in here. So you will have more than enough for all of the products or projects that you have in there, plus a little bit more. And we will also be sending you this little tray to help you out for convenience if you don't have one already. Then you will also get 6x6 papers to finish creating some of the designs. And I will go over this later, but this is Echo Park paper. We love Echo Park, so we're going to send some of this along with you. And to do the kit plus the class, that's $80. And that's, that's me, my Meadow and myself die cutting and cutting all the paper for you, and then the extra things. And you will also get like all the magnets that are inside and everything to make the top of the box. Now there is, we didn't want to push these two stamp sets on you in case you already had them, or sadly, if you did not like them. This is Dudley. So super cute. And these are from Dustin Pike. And this one is Dudley Mailed with Love. And he's just so cute. And then this is Dudley's Valentine. And this is super cute. So if you want these stamp sets, we use them all through class, and then I also show you how I colored all of them in a coloring class as well. And the product plus the kits plus the classes is $99. So I'm going to set this aside so that I can show you. I had so much fun making this little box. I really hope you guys like it too. So this is a little purse box. You can actually pick it up by the strap, and it has a little belly band with cute Mr. Dudley on it. I just love him. He's so cute. You take the belly band off, and then you open the top part of the box, and this folds down and out, and we have cards that go in here. You can have chocolates that go in right here, and then this is a mini album. So the cards, move that over some more. The cards, we have 3 cards, because I was going to make 4, but that's all that would fit in this poor little box. And here are the 3 cards that we're going to make. We have a shaker, hence why we're going to be sending you some cute little sequins. But we have the shaker card, and we have, here's the shaker card up close so you can see. It's so cute. And then we're also going to be using Dudley for this cute little card. And again, this is all Echo Park paper, And we're using rubber necker stamps, die cuts. And here's the third card, and I will actually be showing you how to tie this bow. I will send you one that's already tied, but then I will show you how to tie it yourself as well. The one that's already tied, I know people don't like tying bows, so don't worry, I will send you one that's already tied. And these just go right into the little box, right in the front. And then the chocolates, of course. And then we have this cute little mini album. Now, for those of you that love mini albums, I hope you like this one. This is the second one I've ever made. And if you don't like mini albums, then there's more than enough cardstock here for the mini album that I'm sure that a lot of you could just change it into a card. So this has Mr. Dudley sitting in a cup of tea for a bath. And that's just a little belly band that comes off. Let me move that over there. So this first part has two little wooden hearts on it. And this just wraps around. And then it has just a little waterfall pages for photos, and then a little bit of a decoration. Now, I said that I was going to send you the 6x6 papers, and this is so that you can decorate. These pattern papers will not be cut for you, but you will have the measurements with the PDF for cutting and where they go. I don't want anyone feeling like they have to decorate it exactly as I did. And so you can use your own inspiration, or there will be more than enough pictures or video of how I decorated it if you do like mine. So this just closes up with a little piece of twine. Here we go. And then this is a little paper clip that I made. I will be showing you how to make these if you haven't made those before. If you have, then you're ahead of me by far. This first page has a little insert here that has, you can put pictures or journaling. But this belly band, I decided to have extra fun, and it's actually a pocket. A fun little pocket. So, and then you have a place for photos, journaling, whatever you like. Now this album only measures 6 1/4 by 4, so it's not really all that big. And then you have another place for photos here. And this is a sticker that I will show you how I did that as well. And then this is just a little flap. My mother-in-law says this all the time, so I love it. Reminded me of her. This is a little flap, and you can put pictures, journaling, and then this opens like so. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then you have another little card right here for pictures or journaling. And then another paper clip. And then this opens like so. Hopefully you guys can see that, how it opens. And then you just close it up. And those are all held by magnets. This is held by a magnet, and so is this. All the magnets will be provided. And then this is another little place for photos or journaling. And then this just slides out. This is actually attached to the inside, but it pops out and then it pops open so that you can put, I thought it was making me think of like those photo booth photos or something. That's what that made me think of. And it just closes, and then it just slides right back in there. And then this part, you can also put something there. And then Mr. Dudley again. You can slide something behind him as well and put a picture or journaling. And then this flap is magnetized, and there's more here, and then a little pocket. You can put little movie tickets or something like that in there. So that is the little album, and this is why you get the 6x6 paper. I will send you this part as well in case you want that. There we go. Put the little paper clip back, and then you just close it up and put the belly band back on. And the back is just the same as the front. But you will also have a class on how to color all these cute little Dudleys, as well as how to put the album together. The class is 2 days. I wanted to make sure that everybody had more than enough time to, if I need to slow down, because the classes will be live. So if I need to slow down and repeat things, I can. So the classes will be 2 days long, January 29th and 30th. And I will provide ample breaks for eating or whatever you need to do, getting water and stuff. And, but the class itself with no product, no kit, that's because I didn't want to leave anybody out, so people over in Europe, Australia, or wherever you may live outside of the US can still participate, and that's $25. The kit itself, just the kit, plus the class, is $80. And again, we will go step by step through coloring and putting the cards together, putting the box together, putting the album together, all of it. And that's $80. And then if you want the stamp set as well, again, these are 2 stamp sets by Dustin Pike, which are, I love them. They're so super cute. But these, if you want the product as well, this is Mailed with Love and Dudley's Valentine. If you want to check your stash and see if you already have them. If not, and you want these ones for your class, then the product plus kit plus class is $99. And all the information is on my blog. So you will be able to sign up and get registered. Last day to register is December 15th. Okay, so I really hope you will want to join me with this new adventure of mine and Meadow's and take this class with us. We will see you later. You have a good day. Bye.